So as your elected NEC representative, I'll support 4 key changes within Labour. 1, fairness in the complaints system. 2, open selection for MPs, just like Labour councillors have open selection. 3, freedom, justice and equality for everyone. And 4, a members-led policy decided at a sovereign conference. Because this is our NEC election, it's for us ordinary members of CLPs, the 600,000 paid-up members of the Labour Party. It's our Labour Party, it's our votes and our democracy. We should decide our policies, we should decide our rules, we should decide who can be a member and who can't be a member, not some outsourced outside agency who is working against our interests.